Good morning, student. In our last topic, we have studied about balanced diet and nutrients. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is the diet which contain all the nutrients, macro and micro, in a correct proportion for efficient working of the body. Means all the nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals, should be in correct proportion. This is known as balanced diet. And balanced diet, there are three type of balanced diet: energy yielding food, bodybuilding food and defensive food. Energy yielding foods are carbohydrate and fats. It's provide energy. And bodybuilding foods is proteins. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissue and helps in growth and development of the body. And defensive food, defensive foods are vitamins, minerals. It helps to improve the immune systems and also protect against infections, germs and disease. Today we will study about minerals. Minerals is micronutrients. Micronutrients means which are needed in small quantity, but they are very essential for growth and development of the body. We get nutrients in the form of salt by various food items. Food items contain salt, from which we get minerals. Minerals helps mineral it's a minerals it's a deficiency of minerals cause certain disease. So it is very essential for proper functioning of the human body, and it is supplied in the form of salt in our body. Some important minerals required by our body are: first, calcium. Calcium helps in formation of strong bones and teeth, and its deficiency cause rickets. Source from where we get iron. We get iron from green leafy vegetables, egg, meat, etc. Potassium is an important macro minerals. It is required for activities of nervous and muscular system. Means it is required for proper functioning of neuromuscular system, nervous system and muscular system, and also helps to balance the water. Phosphorus. Phosphorus helps in making the bones and teeth strong, and its source are: we get phosphorus from milk, milk, egg, meat, fruits, grain, etc. Sodium. Sodium helps nervous system for better neuromuscular response. Sodium, it helps in proper functioning of proper neuromuscular response, and its deficiency cause cramp and tiredness. The person, there will be the muscular cramp and the person will feel tired, and its source are salt, fruits and vegetable. Iodine iodine, it deficiency cause gout, in which thyroid gland swell, by which there is a problem in breathing and weakness in experience by the persons, and its source are seafood, iodized salt, etc. Iodine helps in proper functioning of thyroid gland, and it is obtained from seafood. Fluoride fluoride helps fluoride helps to keep the teeth and nails healthy. Its source are onion, spinach, vegetables. Chloride fights against infections. It helps the body to fight against infections and proper functioning of skin, and it is found in egg, milk, meat, etc. Non-nutritive component of diet. Non-nutritive component of diet does not provide nutrients, but it is very essential component of diet. uh, waters Water is a non-nutritive component of diet. Our body our body consists 70% of waters in body weight. Means in our body there are 70% of waters, and adults require 2 to 3 liters of waters daily for normal life. In summer we need more waters due to sweetening, and the person who do more physical workout, they also need more waters. And we should drink the safe, clean and hygienic waters. If Okay, waters waters means there are 70% of waters in our body. The the body weight the body weight 70% of waters. Our body weight, there are 70% of waters. We take waters from food and by drinking waters, and the body lost waters from in the form of urine, sweating, pasina se, and through breathing through breathing. If the waters in the body is reduced, अगर हमारे बॉडी में वाटर की कमी होगी, then what are the serious, then it may cause serious health problems, like if there is 1 to 5% of 1 to 5% वाटर लॉस. अगर हमारे बॉडी में 1 से 5% वाटर की कमी होगी, then we feel thirst. If loss of waters, 5 to 10% loss of waters, it's result in loss of strength and endurance. हमारी strength and endurance कम होगी. If we lose 10 to 5% of waters, it leads dehydrations, lethargy, body ache and pain. Means dehydrations and lethargy, sustiana, body pain, etc. And loss of water, 15 to 20% of water loss, then it results in blurred visions, means unclear visions, loss of memory, our memory will be lost, faint, behosh hona. And if the loss of water is more than 20%, अगर more than 20% water is lost, then it may it may lead to death, हम मर जाएंगे. Importance of waters. What are the importance of waters in our life? Regulate body temperatures. Waters help to regulate the body temperatures through sweetening, pasina ke through, it's maintain the body temperature. Transportation of nutrients. Waters helps to transport various essential nutrients through blood ke through, it's help to transport various essential nutrients. Waters is also act as solvent for carrying important nutrients. Maintain body fluid. Waters helps to maintain the body fluid. It helps in digestions, absorptions, circulations, creations of saliva, etc. Eliminate body toxin. Waters helps to eliminate body toxins, and means body waters eliminate the waste product from the body through urine and sweating, urine or pasina ke through. Improve Lubrications of joint. It's help in lubrications of joint, means it make the joint sleepy, thus improve the flexibility. And also joint mobility, it's also make the joint mobility, mean joint move freely. Improve skin quality. Waters help to improve the skin quality. If we drink more waters, then there will be the more sweetening. Then अगर हम पानी ज़्यादा पियेंगे तो पानी तो पसीना ज़्यादा आएगी, which lead to make the skin which lead to improve the skin quality. Kidney function improve. Water helps to clean kidney and thus their function will improve. अगर हम पानी ज़्यादा पियेंगे, it will clean the kidney and the functions of kidney will be improved. Maintain electrolyte balance. It's help to maintain electrolyte balance in the body, thus impulse travel faster. Moreover, faster response. अगर impulse if the impulse will travel faster, then the response will also be faster. Boost physical performance. If we drink more waters, it will boost the physical performance. Our physical performance will be improved. And if we drink less waters, then our performance will be reduced. Improve digestions. Waters help to improve digestions and absorption. Moreover, prevent constipations. If we drink more waters, it will helps in proper functioning of digestion system. Digestion system अच्छे से काम करेगी and proper absorptions. And if there is proper digestions, then it helps to prevent constipation. Surface of fibers. Surface is also known as fibers. Fibers come from the plant, come from the parts of plant-based foods that cannot digest. Means fibers. We call surface also fibers. It is a non-nutritive component of diet. It is indigestible portion of foods. We cannot digest fibers, but it clear the digestive tract and improve digestions. Roughage is indigestible portion of the food. We cannot digest, but it helps in digestions. It clear the digestive tract and improve the digestions. Um, it's it also prevent constipations and helps to manage cholesterol levels. And most of the vegetables and fruits contain high fibers along with nutritional value. Uh, Legumes, nuts, grain, etc. contain high fiber. Artificial sweeteners and preservatives. Artificial sweeteners. These are low or no calorie alternative to nutritive sweeteners and provide sweet taste. These are usually taken by diabetic persons as an alternative to nutritive sweeteners. Means artificial sweeteners provide you the taste of sweet. Therefore, these are taken by diabetes persons as the alternative of sweet. Preservatives. Preservatives preservatives helps to store the food for long period of time. So these are used by food industry. These are mainly used in packing food for keeping them long period of time. Means preservatives are used to keep the food for long period of time. And mainly the packed food items contain used preservative. uh, food industry use preservatives to keep their food for long period of time. So the good preservatives should be used. Eating for weight control or for preventing obesity to control their overweight. A stable weight depends on a balance between the energy you take from food and the energy you use. For a stable weight, the energy you get from the food and the energy you use means आप जितना एनर्जी लेंगे अगर उतना एनर्जी यूज करेंगे देन it will lead to a stable balanced weight, stable weight. There will be the no gaining or losing of weight if you the energy, what energy you get, जितना आप लेंगे अगर उतना ही एनर्जी आप यूज करेंगे, that will be the stable weight. But when a person consume more calories then the energy they use, the body store the extra calories in fat cells and lead to overweight. Means when a person consume more calories then the energy they use, when they take more energy, when they take more energy and use less energy, लेंगे ज़्यादा but यूज करेंगे कम, then it will leads to overweight. And when a person burn more calories than they consume, they will lose the weight. Means जितना उन्होंने लिया उससे when a person's burn more calories, जितना उन्होंने लिया उससे ज़्यादा उन्होंने burn किया, then it will lead to lose weight, underweight. Fat cell grow or shrink depend on how people use energy. Okay, for stable weight, the energy you get from the food and the energy you use should be stable. And when you get more energy, when you get more energy and use less energy, आप लेंगे ज़्यादा but यूज़ करेंगे कम, then it will lead to overweight. But when a person burn more calories means they use more energy than they get, मतलब एनर्जी ज़्यादा वेस्ट करेंगे but लेंगे कम, then it leads to lose weight. The fat cells grow or shrink depending on how people use energy. Fat cell grow or shrink depending on how people use the energy. A stable weight depends on a balance between the energy you get from the food and the energy you use. For a stable weight, there should be a balance between energy you get from the food and the energy you use. You use energy during the day in three ways. We use energy in three ways. Energy expend during rest means energy used during rest or energy used to break down food, and the energy used during physical activity and exercising means energy, those energy which are used in rest, energy used to break down of food को break down करने के लिए जो energy use करेंगे, and for physical activity, for doing physical activities energy used, this lead to and exercising fat can build up, this leads to weight gain. For a body mass index, to know you are overweight or underweight, we use body mass index. Body mass index helps to know whether you are underweight, normal weight, or overweight. Thus, accordingly, diet and workout can be done to gain or reduce the weight. Means body mass index, BMI means body mass index. With the help of BMI, you will know whether you are underweight, आप underweight हो या फिर normal weight हो या फिर overweight हो, and according that you should take your diet to gain the weight or to reduce the weight. And Body mass index. Body mass index is equal to weight upon height square. Weight is taken in kg and height is taken in meter. For examples, body mass index is equal to weight. Weight upon height square. You can take weight in kg or gram, and weight in meter or centimeters. Weight upon height square. Let, for examples, if the person weight is 60 kg and his height, if his height is 1.5, then body mass index is 60 upon 1.5 into 1.5 is equal to 26.66. This is his BMI. We compare the BMI in this category for men and women. For men, underweight, healthy range, overweight and obesity. For underweight, if a person BMI is less than 20, अगर उसका BMI is less than 20, then he will be underweight. And if his body mass is 20 to 25, then he is healthy range. And if his BMI is 26 to 30, then he will be overweight. And more than 30, he is obesity. Obesity means overweight. And for women, less than 19, he is underweight. 19 to 24, he is in healthy range. 25 to 30, overweight range. And more than 30, obesity range. Okay. We had taken the examples this BMI, weight upon height square, weight itna, height this, and then, and the body mass index is 26.6. It means 26. It means he is overweight. Okay, this is the methods to know your BMI, to know your weight, body mass index, and according to that you can control your weight. Tips for weight controls. How you can control your weight. Balanced diet. Obese person should strictly take a balanced diet with very less amount of carbohydrate and fats. Means the persons who are overweight, they should take less amount of carbohydrate and fats. This contains more fat, therefore they should take less amount of carbohydrates and fats in their diet. Eating lot of fibrous food. To control the weight, uh, uh, avoid fibrous foods. Take the food items like salad, vegetable, etc. These are fibrous foods. Fibrous foods are high fibers content, provide vitamins and minerals to the body, and it's also help in digestions. They are low in energy foods and thus prevent obesity, and also helps in digestions. So eat lots of fibrous food. Avoid fats. To control weight, avoid a fatty cheese. Avoid fried foods like butter, cream, ghee, animal fat, etc. This should be avoided. Physical activity. Obesity persons should regularly perform physical activity and avoid sedentary lifestyle. To control weight, do a physical activity, proper physical exercise. Avoid junk food. Junk food is high calories. Junk food is a high calorie food. So avoid eating junk food. Junk food like burger, pastry, chocolate, cold drink, etc. Drink waters. Drink lots of waters. It's prevent acidity and reduce the stress over the kidney and stomach. Moreover, it helps in cleaning the body waste. Waters. Water is most important for the human body. Our body contains 70% of waters. So drink lots of waters. It's prevent the acidity, helps in digestions, reduce stress over the kidney, and helps to cleaning the waste product from the body. So drink waters. Avoid spicy food. Spicy foods cause health problems, so it should be avoided. Avoid taking spicy food. Regular medical checkup. We should regularly go for medical checkup. Do a regular medical checkup. Know your health status. Medicines only by doctor advice. Don't take medicines without any doctor advice. So before taking medicines, take a doctor advice. Avoid drinking. Avoid drinking like alcohol, smoking, chewing, etc. Meals in a small shift. The diet should be taken in small shift after some intervals rather than a big heavy meals. The best way to control your weight is taking the taking a small meal in a small shift. एक ही बार में ज़्यादा खाने से अच्छा है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा करके थोड़ा थोड़ा करके दिन भर खाएं. Don't take don't take big meals at a time. Take take small meal after some interval of time. Follow hygienic habit. Follow the hygienic habit, like washing the hands, washing the hands, fruits, vegetables, clean clean it, eat fresh food, uh, maintain a good postures, uh, live in a clean and healthy environment. Do not fast. Sometimes people do not eat to reduce weight. This leads to serious problems like tightening, convulsions, pain in stomach, headache, vomiting, etc. People think that if they don't, if they avoid their meals, they will reduce their weight. But this is not. But this is a wrong concept. Okay, don't skip your don't skip your meal. uh, Never try slimming pills to reduce the weight. People use slimming pills, but these are very harmful to the body. The slimming pills means drugs, medicine, etc. for reducing the weight. Never try slimming pills. Pitfall of dieting. Pitfall means problem or the danger of dieting. What are the problem or the danger of dieting? Every individual wants to look attractive, slim and trim. An individual who is overweight wants to reduce the weight, and thus stuff means they start dieting to reduce the weight. Many times they skip their meals to lose weight. They sometimes take slimming pills to reduce weight. This cause serious health problems. Serious health problem. The main cause of dieting are given below. Pitfall of dieting means the people's the people's the people wants to look attractive, therefore they uh, they reduce their weight, start dieting start dieting, use slimming pills, etc. But this cause many health problems. The following are the some health problems of pitfall of dieting. The first is extreme reductions of calorie. Extreme reductions of calories. Person reduce the diet considerably, which cause low levels of energy. Thus, the person feel lethargic, tiredness, body ache, pain. Means if you extremely reduce their calories, then there will be low energy, there will be low level of energy in your body. So the persons will feel lethargic, sustiana, they will feel tired, body pain, etc. Because calories provide you energy. Don't take calories if you don't take calories, then you will feel tired, body pain, lethargic, etc. Skipping meals. People often skip meals to reduce weight, whereas in next meal they take large amount of food. To reduce the weight, they skip the meal. But this is a wrong concept. By skipping the meals, in the next meals they will take large amount of food. If you skip the meal in the morning, of course, in the night you will take more meals. Therefore, don't skip the meal. Low energy diet. Low energy diet. Persons take the diet without fats and less carbohydrate, by which health is affected. Low energy diet. Diet is important. Proper diet is important for a person's. The fats, carbohydrate, these are the essential component of the diet. So if you don't take fats and carbohydrate, it will affect the health. So don't skip carbohydrates and fats. Not performing physical activity. Uh, people's people thinks that if they avoid eating, if they skip meals, they will reduce the weight. But this is a wrong concept. So in in place of skipping the meals, do a proper physical exercise. Taking less liquid. People often think that drinking waters or the liquid make them to gain weight, which is wrong concept. Taking liquid, drinking waters, this will not increase your weight. This is helps in the digestion. It helps in digestions, proper functioning of digestive system, etc. So eat a proper waters. Starving. Starving means bhukha rehna. Starving cause serious health problem and it is dangerous. So avoid. Uh, so thus starving should not be done for long period of time. Means ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक we should लंबे समय तक हमें भूखा नहीं रहना चाहिए. Risks of obesity. Many people believe that if they eat good diet, they will gain weight. Thus, they become obese. The risks of obesity. Uh, the people think that if they take good diet, taking good diet will lead to obesity. Uh, so they don't eat good diet. This is a wrong concept. Eat a healthy and good diet for a proper weight control. Stress. Many people feel and stress that they are overweight. Thus, they go for pitfalls. Due to overweight, they feel stress, tension, etc., which are also the cause of overweight, and they start doing pitfalls, start doing dieting. Slimming pill. Slim look. Some people think that they will look attractive if they are slim, thus go for pitfall of dieting. Slim look. For a slim look, they start doing dieting, which is a danger for their health. Slimming pills means using medicine, etc. So people take slimming pills to reduce the weight without consulting with doctors, which is fatters, which is means fatters means janleva. So don't use slimming pills to reduce the weight. Don't take any medicines without any doctor advice.